my battery up, man. Oh wow, this ain't gonna be good. Whoa, look at all that rain over there. That rain is coming in. Wow, check out the little animal. Ooh, the little animal. You don't want to get caught in that, Jimbo. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just don't trust my battery. I don't want my battery getting fucking sapped. I've already made a boo-boo. I've forgotten to put my ear deaths back in. Safe house. Check that statue out. What is all that about? Some of these clouds. Look at them. We survived! We survived! Woo! We fucking survived, baby! Look at this fella. He's risking it for a biscuit. Oh my god. Oh, people tooting and everything. Scared of. The fuck has started already. Look, where have I put my gloves? Oh my goodness. Oh, maybe I didn't survive that long. Admin, I feel like poo. I feel like some poops. Oh, here we go. Captain Sensible's in front. Oh, here she comes. Where's that coming from? Not even rain clouds up there. Oh my god, what are you doing? Please, not this morning. Yeah, we know it's 30 miles an hour. Oh. I'll be dealing with that when I feel ill. Oh. Doing 30 in a 40. Mega. Someone knows that I don't. Why is everyone driving so slow? 60 and we're doing 45. People are obviously not in a rush to get to work this morning. Check it out. Oh, crack me up. Never had an accident, however, he's seen plenty in his rearview mirror, that idiot. Do you want to... That's good, that. If you like the videos, hit that thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, smash that red subscribe button. And if you want to get notifications every time I upload a video, hit that notification bell. Wow. Don't load my battery up, man. Oh wow. This ain't gonna be good.